Welcome to another episode of the Added Time Video Guide series. In this episode we will show you how to add personnel to an event. Personnel being the term we give to anyone who is going to provide a service for an event, such as a coach, assistant or leader. For this example we're going to add personnel to a mini tennis orange course we are running for our fictitious coaching company, Coaching Program Limited. To find the event, we click on the Events menu and select the Your Events option. This displays the Your Events search options. To find the example we want to use, we amend the date range and select Mini Tennis Orange as the category. We can now click on the event to open the details. We can see in our example that we have 21 sessions on this event and that we have not yet assigned any personnel. Click on the plus sign to add personnel to this event. The Add New Personnel page is now displayed. The page prompts the user to select the type of person we want to assign to the event. We're going to add a coach to this event, so we select Coach from the drop-down list. The system now displays a list of the contacts that match the role we selected, i.e. we can now see a list of the coaches that have already been set up on the system. For this example, we're going to select Mike Coach. The system now prompts us to enter the details for Mike Coach. The Standard Rates drop-down list lists any rates we have already set up for Mike. You can see that Mike has two standard rates, one for tennis, one for squash. You can find out how to add these rates to a person by watching the Personnel Rates video episode in this video guide series. We're now going to select the tennis rate for this example. The rate is defaulted into the rate field. You can now see that the system calculates the cost of the coach for this event. The system has allocated the coach to all of the sessions, as you can see here, by default. We can untick any of the sessions if the coach cannot make sessions, and there is also an Unallocate All button to unallocate all of the sessions for this coach. We can also apply the rate by session and also by event. The event option enables us to pay a fixed fee to the coach irrespective of the number of hours or sessions. We're going to enter £400 for the fee as a fixed fee for this coach for this event. You will then see that the system then gives us the cost per session. Enter any comments you wish to make and then click on the Save button. The system now displays the event details screen and you can see that we now have a coach allocated to our event. Clicking on the coach enables us to update the details for the coach, and this is how you can unallocate the coach from any of the sessions, amend the rate of pay, or delete the coach completely from the event. We're now going to allocate an assistant to the event. Click on the Add New Personnel button. We're now going to select Assistant from the drop-down list. You will see we only have one assistant on our system, Barry Jacobs, so we're going to select Barry from the list. Barry has two standard rates, one for an assistant and one for coach. We're going to pay him £15 an hour rather than one of these rates, so we ignore the standard rates and enter £15 in the rate field. Barry has been automatically allocated to all of the sessions, but in this example Barry is only going to be needed for the first 5 sessions. We click on the Show 21 Sessions button to display all of the sessions. and then we're going to click on the Unallocate All button to unallocate Barry from all of the sessions. Now we can select the first 5 sessions for Barry, and you will see that the cost has then been automatically updated. We now click on the Hide Sessions button to close the session list, and we can now click on the Save button to save these details to the event. You can now see we have 2 personnel allocated to this event, Mike Coach as the coach and Barry Jacobs as the assistant. Thank you for listening to this episode, and we hope you found it useful. You can subscribe to our monthly newsletter full of tips and hints on how to get the best out of added time at www.intoaddedtime.com.